Hi, my name is Kimatina. This screencast will show you how to post private comments to an assignment in Google Classroom. So first, you sign into your Google for Education account and go to classroom.google.com and click on the class that you need to go into. Go into the classwork page and find the assignment that you want to check. So I'm going to click on this assignment and I am going to click on View Assignment. And you will see a list of your students here on the left side in the student work page. I simply click on the student, and after I check the information that the student handed in, down here at the bottom there's an area here where I can type a private comment. I click send, and now that private comment was sent to the student, and the student will be able to review that information and resubmit the assignment. I hope you found this screencast helpful.